What is good, man? Welcome back to the channel. You're here with your boy Hotshot Mac with Macc Transport and Logistics. We just got done with our cargo securement training, but I want to talk to you guys about a product that we use, that we've been using. Shout out to MTL Products, who's been our #1 source for cargo securement items when it comes to what we do in the industry. Shout out to MTL Products for sending us some securement for our vehicles. You guys know we do some vehicles while we're out here on the road. They sent us these straps, which has been working out great for us. We love them. I want to do a review and tell you guys how they've been working out for us, so stay tuned. All right, guys, let's talk about what this securement item is and what it does. These are the heavy-duty 2" by 10" side mount wheel nets with 2 ratchets. It has the chain connection, as you can see here, for durability. Of course, you can still use your ratchet straps with the hooks. I'll show you guys how I've used those. They're high visibility, as you can see. They're sold in a set of 4. They come with 4 tire straps and 8 ratchets. The working load limit on these are just like the lassos that I usually use. They are 3,333 pounds. Breaking strength is 10,000 pounds. The material that they've used on these straps are top tier, man. Durable polyester webbing, which barely stretches at all during heavy loads. It resists taking damage from scrapes or cuts. Water slides right off. That just means longer lasting. We've had these for a while, no problems. The ratchet itself here, you can feel the quality of this ratchet. Highly recommended. Now, the reason I like these, I use the lasso straps, which is just 1 strap, but I like the idea that I have 2 points of contact, putting the same amount of pressure on both sides. When going down the road with these, you don't see a lot of movement happening with the tires. So in the rear, I've got the ratchets with the hooks. Just wanted to show you guys that you can also use the ratchets and the hook setup on here. Sometimes I may use the hooks just depending on what I'm hauling, where I'm securing, because not all the time you may have space to use the chain ratchets. Very versatile, very convenient, you know, to do vehicles while you're over the road. So take it from us here at Macc Transport and Logistics. Highly recommend these straps. These again are the 2" by 10" side wheel mount net straps for vehicles, whether you're doing SUVs, sedans, trucks, heavy duty trucks. This is gonna be what you wanna use on a flatbed trailer. Properly secure your vehicle to the deck. Of course, you can use the lasso straps, but like I said, these are gonna provide you a much more safe and secure way to secure these vehicles to the truck. So if you guys are doing hotshot trucking, even if you're in a step deck and you're gonna be doing vehicles, service vehicles, these securement items is probably something that you're gonna wanna use. High visibility, heavy duty. So MTL Products was kind enough to provide us with a discount code for you guys, all my viewers, all my supporters. So I will have a link in the description below if you want to go ahead and grab these and start making some money. If you want to start partialing some vehicles, this is a product you're going to want to use. MTL Products, shout out to them again for sending us this product, and I hope to see y'all out there, man, making that money. We out.